Oronjeno chibago wale ni jatend Migao mar riwruoge Saga Simon Cheluguyo jiwo riwruoge Saga mag Harambee SACCO Society mondo jiwre kendo keto kenge mabiro ketogi kama ber e chiro mar Kenya mana kaka kinde mokalo. Cheluguyo kata kamano nopuoyo kenge mar Harambee SACCO osegoyo kendo dongruok moidho nyaka atamalo 6.2 kipimo gi higa mokalo ma kwan ne en atamalo 5.3. Ne olose kinde mar Harambee SACCO ne sidho chenro magingo mar uso ber mar Saga no kendo juolo yuto margi.
But then you are not the expensive external funding. Our of 4 billion shillings.
As we speak today, regulated SACCOs are not allowed to invest in capital activities like property and building without an annual general meeting, without an annual delegates conference, without regulatory approval. That means they are guided and their investments is evaluated by a third body to see their viability. So it's not possible in the regulated sector, regulated SACCOs to go into erratic decisions, investments. The second issue is the level of management. The level of management is still low. The use of technology is also low, so they are bound to be attacked.